Actually see an image. Great Wolf Lodge today. Got no time for slaying.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say to play, but to slay is also good.
Slay the spire. Alright, let's go see Rocket. Oh, Rocket! Rocket!
Wide angle is this lens. Oh my god, it's a very wide angle.
Okay. Good boy. Here's Great Wolf Lodge. This is our view. Here's Jack.
Pog.
We're about to go in. Jack is not wearing his gear right now.
Dad's not right now.
I am wearing my stuff right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Put it on my arm. It kind of hurts already. Like my arm is really weak, but that's okay. You can. Hello.
Burn man.
All right, we're going to the water park. We are going to the water park right now. Here's the arcade. It's literally blinding me. I want to go do the arcade, but we're not going to. Here's Dad. Here's Jack. He's walking in front. Here's the lobby. All right, we're gonna go. I'll film when I'm on the ride, secretly. Park. Here's the water park. Here's Dad. Here's Jack.
Hi.
What ride are we going on?
Whatever one you want.
Here's the bucket. Wait. We gotta go by the bucket. Oh shoot! I'm gonna film Dad. You go out there. Go out there, Jack. Here it is. Gonna fall. Any second. Oh, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. There you go. Oh, we got him good. We got him good. Let's go see how they did.
You can tell which side of me got hit.
He's wet. He's wet. He's not very wet. He's not wet. He's crying right now. Jesus! Oh Lord! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my Jesus! Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's I'm gonna try to record Dad. Dad's coming. There he is. Oh, there's Dad. There he comes. Oh my God. Oh, he made it to the end.
Let's go. No, this is definitely the back, okay?
It's working.
Let's go. Don't get it wet.
No getting it wet. Alright, we're under this thing right here at the wave pool. You're getting it wet. Your dad's in the water. Here I am, really wet. Alright guys, we're turning it off. Here he is. Here's Dad. Alright. That's a wide angle lens. You can really see like all the different parts of his nose there. And his, and I like, wow, that's a really wide angle lens. You can go in like super far. I'm not gonna drop it. Whoa! I don't die. Oh my God! Oh my God! That's hard to do with one hand. way down there. I don't know if you can see him. He's like,
Is there a zoom button?
he's right here. He's right here. Yeah. He's right over there. He's taking binoculars.
Oh, that's what he's doing.
She's not feeling great, so we're gonna go on the
River Canyon Run.
Grizzly River Run.
Grizzly River Run.
Yeah.
Grand Canyon Run.
We're gonna go on that. Dad filmed on the tornado.
By the way, Jack's review of the red slide, it sucks. The yellow one
Doesn't it hurt your back?
is just so much better. No, it hurts my back. Okay. But the yellow one, it's literally just better.
Yeah.
Fine.
It's better at winning the race.
Yeah. I mean, it's just.
Wait, no, you lost the race.
No, I won the race. What one were you on? I was on the red one.
Well, then the red one's faster.
Yeah.
You just said the yellow one. I said the yellow one's faster, and then you're like, yep.
No.
Oh my.
Oh, it's on wide mode.
Oh my God, it's going. All right, Jack, you record.
Okay.
Dad, get set up.
What am I doing?
Get set up. You're gonna do the thing. You're gonna do the bucket.
I'm gonna do what bucket?
The bucket. We're recording.
That bucket.
You know this one, but this bucket. Put in my mouth.
I got him. Nice.
You're bad. Okay, I'm doing it now. Okay. Tactical. It's making them go towards them. It's making them go. You're prank.
I don't want to record this.
Alright, I'll prank.
Hello. This is what the devil on my shoulder looks like.
Yeah. Dad. It's a dad cam.
Hi.
I feel so bad. Oh. He's on my
I knew I wasn't going to get him, but I wanted him to think I got him.
Okay.
Well, dang it, you're hustling girl then.
I don't like recording. Nikki. Oh. I should have recorded that. What am I doing? Oh my God, my voice hurts. Oh, you're trolling.
No, it's just a natural thing that happens here.
Get him. Oh, shoot. Oh wow, look at this view. How's it feel?
I feel horrible.
Good.
Like really bad.
Oh my goodness, look at that go.
Hello. Here we go, ready?
Behind the scenes. I think I have your cold.
I hope not.
I'm coughing a lot. Ugh.
You have to let it roll off on the inside.
Oh.
Something is really funny. Look. If you
Oh yeah, it goes on you.
It just dunks you, which is hilarious. That's such good game.
Oh my goodness.
They wouldn't be able to.
What?
Nothing going on here.
This is what Dad loves doing. I did not encourage him in any way. I can attest to that. I would attest to it. Oh, that person slipped.
You okay? You okay?
She's running again. Do not spill on her. Right after she slipped. Wait, someone move my thing.
Oh my God, here comes the mom. Turn away.
Oh man. Wow, it's been you haven't gotten anyone yet. I wonder if anyone will come along.
How long is the recording been going?
4 minutes.
That's a long time. We're gonna have to edit that out.
I wonder if anyone will like go down there and like get spilled water on.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the
That's just you.
Baby.
Oh shoot. Get those kids. Go, get those kids. Those are the kids that stole my double wrap. They stole my double wrap.
Those are the double wrap seeds?
Yeah, they stole it. Oh no, don't get that person. That is so mean. Where did Jack go? Oh, there he is. He's to your left. Look at that guy, he has a drink. Get the guy with the expensive drink. Get the guy with the expensive drink. Where the drink guy? He's leaving.
Oh, get him. Our partner in crime. I totally got him.
Oh my goodness, different. Wow, this is gonna be exciting to watch back. That guy was like, get him. Got him. Wait here, I'll just sit in that chair and I'll record. We got him good, guys.